Hard-boiled eggs are a familiar dish for all of us. But not everyone knows how to boil eggs so that the shells don't crack, the whites don't stick to the shell when peeled, and the surface comes out smooth and beautiful. There's a little trick shared by chefs at 5-star restaurants. The method is incredibly simple and will surprise you. Do you think washing eggs is important? In the US, eggs purchased at the supermarket usually don't need to be washed again, as they've already been processed and cleaned at the factory. However, this process removes the natural protective membrane on the outside of the eggshell, so you need to store them carefully in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, in many other countries, eggs usually do not undergo industrial washing, so they retain their natural protective membrane. Therefore, they can be stored at room temperature. However, if the eggs are dirty or you're unsure about their cleanliness, it's best to wash them thoroughly right before cooking to ensure safety. In today's video, I'll be using supermarket-bought eggs. Grab a pot, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Next, pour in about 1 liter of clean water. These ingredients are not only common, but also very affordable. Now, stir them gently and rhythmically to ensure everything mixes well into the water. Later, I'll reveal to you the benefits of salt and white vinegar in this egg boiling tip. Now, I place the steamer basket inside the pot of water and arrange the eggs one by one. You can think of this simply as a method of boiling eggs without direct contact with the water. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Put them on the stove. Turn on the stove. I just want to mention that fuel prices have been rising lately, so there's no need for high heat or long cooking times. Just the right method is enough. Now, all we have to do is wait about 10 minutes from when the water starts boiling. If you prefer soft-boiled eggs, take them out earlier, around 6 minutes. Now the time is up. I turn off the stove, carefully remove the eggs, and immediately place them in the bowl of ice water. For about 5 minutes. And now, I'll tell you why I added salt and white vinegar right from the start. Salt helps the egg whites set faster if the egg cracks, while white vinegar softens the shell and helps separate the inner membrane. I gently tap the shell with the back of a knife, then peel the egg with my hands. Look, the shell peels off almost perfectly, and the egg whites aren't stuck at all. Compared to other conventional egg boiling methods, this method yields better results. The eggs peel beautifully, just like those served in 5-star restaurants. Now, let's move on to the second egg. I share helpful and useful videos about eggs, but nobody seems to appreciate them, which is pathetic. If you find this video helpful, could you please give me a warm like? Thank you. After separating these eggs, I gently arranged them on a plate. Now, I'm going to show you a surprise. I'm going to split them open. Wow, it's a perfectly boiled egg. Just kidding, it's a perfectly boiled egg. But there's more. I'm going to cut them in half and arrange them nicely. It'll look just like the five-star restaurant dishes you see on TV. The egg whites are smooth, without holes or tears. The yolks are just the right consistency you want. And most importantly, everything comes from incredibly simple steps. To add more flavor, I'll add a little salt and pepper. You'll feel the taste melt on your tongue, awakening even the most discerning palate. With fresh, delicious, hard-boiled eggs like these, besides eating them plain, I think a classic salad would be a great choice. I start by slicing the hard-boiled eggs into small, bite-sized pieces. Next comes the red onion, an ingredient that's not only aromatic, but also very nutritious. Then, I add parsley and a bit of green onion to enhance the fresh, crisp flavor. The dressing is extremely simple. Mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, a splash of lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Finally, I add a few green olives for a pop of color. Mix everything together. And honestly, I don't think there's anything easier than this that still tastes this good. Now all you have to do is plate it and enjoy. You can serve it with lettuce, avocado, or a sandwich for a picnic. I'm sure it'll make for a nutritious meal. So, today we've completed a simple yet effective trick for boiling eggs. Thank you for watching, goodbye, and see you again.